Do you want to know how you can report a bug or issue in Midjourney? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can report an issue or a bug on Midjourney. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Midjourney. Click on the official link of Midjourney, which will take you to this page. Log into your account, and then on the left hand side you can see report a bug. Click on this bug icon and it will take you to this page. Now you can see you can report an issue. Before submitting a service related report, please check above for any ongoing issues. So you can see that there is a waiting time. So this is an issue, of course. So if you don't want to report an issue, go ahead and cross it. Now to report an issue again, go ahead and click report bug. Write down and describe your bug report in detail. Include steps to reproduce if possible. So you can even suggest them the issue's solution. So after you write down your issue, you can write down the affected job URL or prompt as well. And then you can attach the files of your issue or some of the feedback you want to provide. Then you can click send report. This way you can report an issue or bug on Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.